Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be doing a Pokemon pack opening, so let's go. I've just opened one of these as well, and I got a Chansey Holo. So let's see what I get in this. Blastoise, Spirit Link, Haunter. Oh my god! That's a secret rare, guys! Oh, no way! Oh my god! I've always wanted this card. It's all thanks to you guys as well. Because oh my goodness. Because I'm doing this pack opening. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow, guys. Oh my gosh. I've just put it in the case, by the way. And I guess, do you know, when you say you have white codes, and that means they're like EX or Holo. In this, that was a green code, and I just pulled a secret rare. Wow, I've always wanted that card. I've seen people open it. That's why I didn't show the code and give it away. I've actually always wanted this card. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, join the Pikachu Hunters, and goodbye.